Imagine stepping into a space where every corner challenges your perspective, where art is not just displayed, but confronts, provokes, and inspires. That's the experience of the Rubell Museum in Miami, one of the largest private contemporary art collections in the world. Located in the emerging Allapattah neighborhood, the Rubell Museum is more than a gallery, it's a cultural powerhouse. Founded by Don and Mara Rubell, the museum has been collecting groundbreaking art since the 1960s, and today it houses thousands of works by artists who have redefined contemporary culture. Names like Basquiat, Cindy Sherman, Kehinde Wiley, and Yeo Kusama all share space under one roof, creating an atmosphere that feels alive with innovation. What makes the Rubell Museum different is its boldness. Unlike traditional museums that often stick to safer narratives, the Rubell collection dives into themes of identity, politics, power, and society. Every visit is a reminder that art is not just decoration, it's conversation, it's reflection, it's a mirror of the times. The move to Allapattah brought a new dimension to the museum's impact. Housed in a vast former warehouse, the space itself feels raw, industrial, and perfectly suited for large-scale installations. It's not just about looking at art, it's about walking into it, feeling surrounded, even challenged by it. This immersive approach is what keeps people coming back, as no two visits feel the same. But beyond the famous names and large installations, the Rubell Museum has hidden gems. Emerging artists are given space alongside icons, creating surprising juxtapositions. You might walk from a Warhol into a room filled with fresh, experimental works that could represent the next big names in the art world. This blend of established and emerging talent makes the Rubell feel less like a museum, and more like a conversation across generations of artists. The museum's role in transforming Allapattah is also worth noting. Once an overlooked neighborhood, it's now a cultural destination thanks in part to the Rubell's vision. Cafes, studios, and creative spaces have followed, creating a vibrant ecosystem where art and community meet. If you're in Miami, a visit here isn't just about seeing art, it's about experiencing the pulse of contemporary creativity. Whether you're an art lover, a student, or simply curious, the Rubell Museum offers an encounter that goes beyond the ordinary. So let's ask, when you think about art, do you prefer the comfort of tradition, or are you ready to dive into the bold, thought-provoking world that the Rubell Museum invites you to explore?